Hello everybody to another tutorial. Today we're making a Lego vending machine. Let's start. First off, get a 2x1 plate and 2 studs on the side. A corner piece here. And a brick with the stud on the side. Then this piece. 2 corner bricks. One by one red tile on the side. A 2x1 tile with 1x1 brick on the back and a gray printed with a stud on the side. Add it there. A 2x1 brick. Oh, I messed up. This piece on there. And then the 2x1 brick. Then the same piece again. Now a 1x4 piece. And the same but with 1x2 transparent piece, 2 of them. Now a red 2x3 red tile, 2 of them. On the side. Then 4 dark gray studs on 4 round blue. Then add them inside. Now a 2x4 red tile on top. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Subscribe. Bye.